Well, I'm here today, and my name is Sam. I'm going to be touring you through the wild, showing you the proper techniques on how to call birds and other animals. As you can see, this climate, a snowy, wet climate, it's a high temperature of about 170 degrees daily. You can tell the time easily by using your phone as a sundial. It's about 3 a.m. right now, and you can tell because of the berries on that tree. Because of their red color, it changes from AM to PM. And AM they are red, and at PM they are brick. They're brick colored. And AM they're actually ruby red, not just normal red. But as you can see, this wet, snowy, hot climate has many trees because of the moisture. And natural structures like this, not being man-made of course, have collected snow-like objects. And man-made utensils can be found throughout here daily. Like, as you can see, these are bird sets, probably made by local birds. Local birds have gone intelligent and very, very huge, amazing brains, far capable than my own. Happen to see, if you are stuck in a cold climate, or a warm climate, a wet climate, or a dry climate, there will always be snow. So, see these chairs like these ones? You can easily make yourself warm by sitting in these, and they shape to your body. Plus, you can see local ducks that go, I'm going to call one, quack! Quack, I say! Quack! It fails. But that's not all you can find around these parts. There are also chickens and peacocks. Cocks and peacocks. Yes. Chirp! Chirp! I am a bird. There's no need to fear me. Hey, come back. Come back. Okay. Well, maybe I can try some luck at the chickens. Baka! Baka! As you can see, it's trying to mate with me. I'm not really sure. Baka! Woof woof! Meow! As you can see, I have failed. Making these animals pace, as you can see. In nervousness, to my mind, human superiority over all animals. We are superior. We are not dumb creatures. We can move ourselves up into trees and areas like that, and with our opposable thumbs we can grab branches like this and just break them off, like, you know what I mean? But as you can see, Mother Nature does not pick certain individuals. So that concludes on this